Hi friends, welcome to V Creation Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about JavaScript variables and how we can assign value to its variables. So here I am just not going to explain you about what are the types of variables, so which I am going to explain in my next video. So in my next video I am going to explain you about what are the types of variables. So in this video I am just going to explain you about what is a variable, JavaScript variables, and how we can assign a value into it, and after that I will show you how we can display those value in the UI. So here you can see I have opened the Visual Studio Code. You can use it anywhere also, like Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code. Even if you can simply type those scripting language codes inside the text file also, and directly you can run those things inside the browser. Let me first explain you how to create a variable, and after that we'll see how to assign the value into the variable. So here you can see I have created HTML file and whose name is sample.html, and I am inside the script tag. Okay, so this script tag I can write it inside the body tag also, but it's not a rule, but as per the convenience I'm just writing inside the head tag. So let me first create a variable. Alright, so x. So usually we use to declare a variable, we usually use the keyword where. Okay, there are like other type of variables are there, like let, constant, and which I am going to explain you in my next video. So here you can see I have created a variable called as x. This x variable now contains the undefined value because we have not assigned any value into it. So due to that reason it contains the undefined value into it. But let's say if we assign some value into it, then it will show you that particular value. So let me show you how it will looks like in the UI, like how it will show the undefined value. And to display those things we'll use the console dot log. So which will log inside the console window of the browser. So here x value is plus the x. So x is our variable. Alright, so I have saved that HTML file, and if I go to the browser and let me open the inspect window, and after that just go to the console tab, and let me refresh this page because as I have changed those codes. So here you can see it showed me x value is undefined, because the reason why it showed undefined, because we have declared the variable, there is no value exist into it, and due to that reason it showed undefined. Now let me assign a value into it, like that's a 10. Okay, so now let me save the application and clear this console, and if I reload the application, now in the console window you can see the x value is 10. Now let me assign some other value, like a test. Okay, so if I reload the application, then you will see here test. Okay, so here you can see like whatever the value I'm just going to assign into it, and then it will show me that particular value. Now let me do one thing. There is another way we can assign the value into the variable, like, so here you can see I have declared the x value, but in the next line I'm just going to assign you the value into it. So that is also it will work. So now if I run it, then it will show x value is 10. So here also if I give like the value is test, then also it will work. So anything is fine, like first I will declare, then I will assign, otherwise in the same line I will declare and assign. So anything is fine with that. But yeah, let me show you another thing, like while like assigning the value, I use this single quote, okay, and when I run the application, it in the UI it showed me test, okay, but in place of this single quote I can use the double quote also, okay. So if I use the double quote also, then also it will show me the same output. Now let me run the application, and here also you can see x value is test, okay. So in place of double quote also I can use that backtick. So the backtick is nothing but about this one. So now if I run the application, then also it will show me the same output like test only. So while assigning the value, we can use the single quote, we can use the double quote, or also we can use the backtick symbol. But while displaying, it will show whatever the content present into that variable. And here I just showed this code inside the Visual Studio Code, but you can use the same code in the Visual Studio also. So in this video I had explained you about like how to declare a variable and how to assign those a value into that variables, and how we can display in the console tab. So this is all about our today's video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel.